this last video is going to cover just a few more features that I did not mention previously. The first is next to the microphone where you are able to narrate is a camera. And if you tap that, you are able to take video or photos straight into the timeline. So if I tap use photo, since my playhead was at the beginning of the timeline, it puts it at the beginning. But of course I can hold my finger over it and move it where I want. I'm going to tap the delete trash can to get rid of it. Over here on the opposite side of the microphone and camera, you'll see a squiggly line. And that squiggly line is what reveals the audio waveforms. What that simply is sort of the volume of each audio track at any given point in time. So you'll see my narration is pretty low. If I tap volume and I adjust the volume up, you can see it raising at every point. And if a particular part of an audio clip gets past the top, then that would be the same or equivalent as if it was in the red when you were doing the narration. What that means is you're going to have a bad time with that sound. So you would want to adjust the audio back down. Another thing I didn't mention is you have an ability to split tracks. So with this narration highlighted, just above the action scissors button, you see split. And if I tap split, and then I can hold my finger and move, you can actually split up tracks. You can split up audio tracks and video clips. That could be useful if you just want to use a portion, and then let's say I want to delete this part, I can just tap delete, or I could rearrange it. That leads me to the final button that I'm going to mention, which is the curly arrow. You probably recognize it as the undo button. That is going to be one of your biggest friends when using iMovie. You make a mistake, undo. You accidentally deleted something, undo. You didn't like how that adjustment worked out, undo. So I just want to go over those last few things and I want to wish you luck on